新年快乐，身体健康 I have a special Chinese New Year recipe for you. We are making the Golden Chef South African baby abalone with Korean rice cake. Switch on to soup mode for 2 minutes. We're going to add 1 tablespoon of oil and place the chicken into the rice cooker and let it cook for 3 minutes. So the Sichuan pepper and the dried chili actually give a kick to the entire recipe. The spicy bean paste and the sugar to balance up the entire spiciness. Wow, the smell just gets better and better. I'll be enhancing this dish with the Golden Chef Premium Oyster Sauce with dry scallop. It is made from premium oyster extract and the finest dry scallop. Another important component to the dish is the Chinese wine and the chicken stock. Soy sauce for seasoning. While the dish is going to simmer for 30 minutes, we're going to cook the rice cake separately. So this rice cake in Chinese is called nian gao, 象征步步高升. Wow! What we have here is a new product from Golden Chef. It is a 3-piece baby abalone. Now we're going to place the rice cake into the rice cooker. Abalone in Chinese is called 鲍鱼. 过年吃鲍鱼，包你富贵有余. Yeah! Alright, we're going to close this lid and let it cook for 5 minutes and we are done. And now for my favorite part, tasting time. Of course, the abalone has its own flavor. Tasty, good texture, and it's so flavorful. With quality ingredients, a smart cooking device, you're sure to impress during this Chinese New Year. 在这里，我祝大家新年快乐，步步高升。